My name is Kylie Lewis. I'm a senior and I'm an integrative physiology and health science major. My career path is to be a physical therapist. So the integrative physiology and health science major has definitely been perfect as I pursue that. Not only has it covered a lot of the prerequisites that are required for physical therapy school, but has really hit anatomy and physiology hard at Alma College, especially with the cadaver lab. So I know that when I step foot on my PT school, graduate school anatomy lab, I will not be seeing cadavers for the first time, and I'll be a little bit ahead of other students in that way. One of the most challenging concepts or classes, I suppose, was pathophysiology. It's an IPH 300 level class, and in that class we learned all the different diseases, signs, symptoms, how to diagnose them or catch them in people. And for me that was challenging just because there were so many different things we had to learn and memorize. And my go-to, of course, is flashcards and studying with a friend. So a teammate and I would be on the bus traveling to games, and we would be quizzing each other about different diseases. And for me, it was just hours spent on the class that got me to success in that class. So I'm currently conducting my senior thesis with a partner here who is also an IPHS pre-PT student. We are looking into how blood flow restriction can help people recover from ankle injuries. So we've been doing our study, I think this is week 4. We'll finish up in the next week and then we'll present at Honors Day with our findings.